When does Snapchat delete snaps and chats? 1. Chats. The fact is, once you view your messages or leave your chat window in a one-to-one conversation, Snapchat will erase them by default. 2. Snaps. The snaps on Snapchat will be cleaned automatically once received and opened by each recipient. How to recover Snapchat messages on iPhone using Snapchat Recovery app. iPhone Data Recovery is a powerful recovery tool that enables you to get back the deleted Snapchat messages with simple clicks. Except for that, it also allows you to extract other lost files from iOS device. Launch the program on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB. Enter Recover from iOS device mode. Click Start Scan to scan your iPhone. Select Messages in the left panel. Choose the Snapchat messages you want. Click Recover to save them to your computer. Snapchat Backup. How to save your Snapchat messages. Open Snapchat. Sign in. Swipe right for chats. Tap Chat. Select a contact. Type message. Tap Send. Click Sent Message to make it bold and gray.